In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scale an image on your GIMP project. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up GIMP here, and then you want to select the tab at the top that says Image. Select where it says Scale Image, and then you can adjust the scale depending on your preference here. You can change the width, the height, all that good stuff. And then that's pretty much it. You just would select scale to scale it, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.